Just remember that you're the prize always.
Say that one more time.
Just remember that you are the prize.
Yes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to do a voiceover because the background noise was too much and I can't hear anything I was saying. So I started by applying a lighter concealer on my eyelids because the colors I'm going to apply, I want them to pop. So make sure you blend your concealer properly to avoid creasing and all. So after that, the next color I'm going to apply is green. I'm not using any transition color, I'm just using green directly. Hope it turns out great. So I started applying the green color on the outer corner of my eyes, going on the inner corner of my eyes. When you applying your eyeshadow, make sure you start on the outer corner of your eyes, going on the inner side of your eyes. Blend, blend. The secret of good eyeshadow is blend it, and make sure you blend on a circular motion. Okay, blend on a circular motion. So I was trying to make a wing liner with a green eyeshadow, that's why I'm emphasizing on the outer corner. So blend the green eyeshadow going upwards in a circular motion. Don't use a lot of force. Just do it in a circular motion and yeah, smoothly and softly.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only roll like once. Life move fast and do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want.
So take another brush and apply an eyeshadow that is matching your concealer. I'm applying this beneath my eyebrows to avoid those harsh lines. So make sure the color you're going to pick, you'll be able to blend with the color that you started with. We don't want people to differentiate like where the green ends and where the brown ends. So make sure you blend them in a circular motion.
In the meantime, just not doing what I want.
So I saw this hack on TikTok. On the inner part of your eye, you can brush the eyeshadow going inside like your nose. It will be easy for you to blend when you are applying your foundation. So take that into consideration. So the next step is I'm going to cut my cut crease. I decided to use a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than me because I wanted the color that I'm going to apply next to pop. So if you want your cut crease to pop, make sure you use a concealer that is bright, or you use the concealer that you use to define your eyebrows. Yeah, so when you're cutting your cut crease, be smooth, take your time, just follow the shape of your eyes, don't exaggerate the cut crease. For a natural look, just follow the shape of your eyes, the shape of your cut crease.
Maybe I'm not myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that, please.
Do the same thing on the other side. Make sure your cut crease are the same, they're sisters. Yeah, try very hard to make them look like sisters.
Don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you.
The next step is take your damp beauty blender and start blending the concealer. Just press it in slowly. Yeah.
I just can't keep running away. But I don't.
I think by now you realize like I'm a beauty blender girly. I hate using brushes, but if you can use brush, use a brush. If you can use a beauty blender, use a beauty blender. Use what works for you.
I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to.
So the next step, I decided to use a lighter green eyeshadow to blend the outer corner of where the concealer ended. You know, I don't want somebody to differentiate where my concealer started and ended, so try to blend it smoothly and nicely. So next step, I decided to apply my shimmer color on my cut crease where I applied my concealer.
I don't mean to, but I was lost and hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, which we never did.
After that, go back to the color that you used for your transition and blend everything up, the shimmer, the light green, and the green. Went ahead and did my full face outside the camera. I like how this makeup turned out. It's very simple yet cute. I like the green and the gold effect. It complements my face so much. I like how everything is sitting well. So if you have reached this part, thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you on the next video. Bye.